Make sure that you give yourself the space right now that you need so you can truly be here. So you can truly begin to move more deeply into your inner peace. And that your body and your emotions and your mind can heal themselves, can find balance even in chaos. Your inner peace is immutable. I'm glad you made it today. Not an easy time to be present and to be conscious. But as I've been saying, it's never been more important to learn to truly be here so you can cultivate consciousness and humanity, your humanity. So please relax as you're able to right now. Breathe and remember that you're right here and this is it. And everything else is thought, feeling. Your natural awareness will center you without effort as you give attention to all the parts of you that are struggling with what is. Definitely give attention to them so that they can release their pain, their feelings, their fears, their frustrations, their anger, all of it. Remember, the training that we have here is for healing, self-healing, and for intuitive development and for spiritual transformation. All the same thing. They're not separate. And we evolve profoundly when we are challenged profoundly, which is why the basic teachings are to be with what is, not fix it, figure it out, get rid of it, change it. That's when you're chopping wood, carrying water, dealing with relative reality in whatever way you need to take action in your life. That's fine. But here in this training, in this practice, your only commitment is to yourself right now. however you are, however it is to be in your own body, your own mind, your own emotions. Remember to breathe. Remember to breathe. And be gentle and loving to all the parts of you that are traumatized, that are agitated, that are unsafe. Because in every way possible, you need you to be here for you.